Hello and welcome. You're about to learn how to become an authorized referral agent with Sofi Bank. And in the process, I'm going to show you how to make an extra $750 to $2,000 between now and Christmas for Christmas shopping. Now, you might be wondering, do I have to buy anything to do this? No. Do I have to sell anything? No. Is there a financial investment that I have to make? No. Is this legit? Yes, it is 100%, and you will see that in a moment. So therefore, the final question might be, what is it? What is an account referral program or an account referral agent? Well, let's start with the local banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America that offer an account referral program. In other words, when you open an account, they have an incentive. When you do that, they are willing to pay you to do it. $200, $300, it just depends on the promotion. This is a regular thing that happens. If you go out to Google right now, you'll see it. Here's the problem though. With these programs, when it comes to time to get your $200 to $300, you got to jump through a bunch of hoops. The first big hoop is setting up a direct deposit, and then you have to wait multiple weeks before you actually get your money. So this is a bit of a turnoff for most people to even participate in a serious way. But SoFi's referral program is radically different than that. I'm going to explain those details in a moment, but you may not have ever heard of Sofi Bank. So let me take a moment to introduce you to Sofi and walk you through some of the amazing benefits of their bank account. So first of all, there is no account fees for any account that you set up. Next is up to a 4.6% APY. In other words, that is interest made on your money when it's on deposit with the bank. That's a tremendous incentive. If you do decide to set up a direct deposit, amazing, you have some benefits there. You can get up to 2 days early on your paycheck, and you will also receive a $250 deposit just for setting up direct deposit should you decide to do that. There are no fees for overdraft coverage. So if you happen to overdraw your account, we all make mistakes. You won't be charged like most banks, anywhere from $30 to $50 per overdraft. Up to 15% cash back on local businesses. In other words, when you use your SoFi debit card for purchases, you can qualify for cash back rewards. And then up to $2 million of additional FDIC insurance. In other words, like the major banks that have FDIC insurance, so the SoFi. It's a real bank that has real protection for you. This is a screenshot of the SoFi Stadium where the Rams play and where the Super Bowl was played last year. And you might have recalled seeing this if you did, in fact, watch the Super Bowl. So getting into the details about the referral program, first of all, as I said, there's no purchase necessary to participate. Number two, to make the money, unlike the other banks, you are not required to set up a direct deposit. And three, and most importantly, your referral payout is immediate. In other words, it comes on a daily basis right into your account. Up to this point, SoFi has paid out over $20 million in referral income to our authorized referral agents such as yourself. Now, there are other products that SoFi has that you could, in fact, participate in and refer and make more money, but we're just focused on the checking the savings account program to get you started. So here's how it works. First of all, you set up your own SoFi account. That is the minimum requirement for you to become an authorized referral agent. But here's the benefit. When you set up your account, you will receive a $25 one-time welcome bonus in your account for enrolling yourself. So in other words, you get paid to set up your own account. Now, once that happens, when you log in, you're going to see a referral link that I'll show you in a moment. And when you share that referral link with others and they sign up and set up their bank account, you are going to receive $75 for every referral. They are not required to set up a direct deposit for you to get paid. They simply need to open the account and you get paid. Here's a screenshot of some deposits that came from this very process. You'll notice there's a money welcome bonus of $25. That is when they set up their own account. And the money referral bonus when they went out and shared their referral link as an agent, and others began to enroll and set up their own accounts. So here's how it works. It's very simple. Step number one, as I said, set up your own SoFi checking account. It takes you less than 5 minutes to do. Step two is to have an opening deposit of $50. Every bank requires an opening deposit. You want to just simply transfer $50 into your account. When you do that, you're going to receive a $25 deposit into that same account instantly. And then step three is go grab your invite link and begin to refer others. And the moment people start to enroll and set up their own SoFi account for all the benefits I just described, you are going to earn $75 instantly for every single referral. Here's an example of what that looks like. So here we have a member who enrolled. They did their initial deposit here of $50, as you see. And then as you can see also, they received their $25 welcome bonus for setting up their account. Notice the date, November 26th. So once this member enrolled, the next thing they did is they logged into their account and grabbed their $75 referral link here, as you see. And then they shared that link. And on November 26th, the very same day that they set themselves up, they received their very first deposit. So this person made $100 the same day simply by setting up their account and referring one person. So in the next 7 minutes after you're done, here's what you want to do. You want to open your own account so that you can get set up. That is the minimum requirement to be authorized. And then you're going to be rewarded $25. You might be able to take this and eat lunch on it today. After you do that, you want to begin the process and refer. And as people begin to refer, they get paid, you get paid. So they get the $25 into their account as a welcome because that's how it works for everyone. But you as the referring party receive the $75 instantly for that referral. Now, let's imagine your first referral is the person that you sleep in the bed next to, the one in your household, your adult children, whoever. If it's your significant other or spouse, here's what happens. You got $25 for setting up your account. Your partner got $25 for setting up their account. And then you got a referral bonus for setting them up or referring them. So your household made $125 instantly just in referral money, or referral and account setup money, just by doing this. So the money can be pretty significant. So we talked about one referral of $75, but what about 3 referrals? You'd make $225. 6 referrals, you'd make $450. 10 referrals, you'd make $750. 15 referrals, now you're over $1,000. 25 referrals, $1,875. 50 referrals, $3,750. 75 referrals, $5,625. 100 referrals, $7,500. This is not a limit. I just stopped here for the sake of example, but here's the good news. When you begin to refer people, those people are going to have referral as well. They're going to refer you to people. All right, so it gets really, really good. So my question for those of you that are already doing gig work like Instacart, Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, what does it cost you right now to make $75? When I say cost, what does it cost you in time, energy, effort, and actual money, like gas, tolls, car maintenance, to make any money, let alone $7,500? That's really the frame I want you to have this in. So I want you to get serious and get started and get your first 10 signups in the next 24 hours. You could earn $750 just for doing that. If you work hard enough, you could get $2,000 or more for a cash Christmas. So start with your spouse, your partner, best friend, adult children. Share it on your social media, whatever you have to do. Take action. Now, as I wrap up, let's handle some frequently asked questions by people such as yourself. Question number 1, what is the amount for the opening or initial deposit? The answer is $50. Next question, what if I don't have $50 to start the account? The good news is there is a minimum balance of $10. But the reason why we recommend $50 is because you won't receive your $25 sign-up bonus for setting up yourself instantly if you do that. And also on anyone that you refer, that $75 will also not be instant. It could take up to 14 days for you to receive it. So this is why we strongly recommend you just simply open with a $50 deposit. Okay. Now you will get the money either way. You'll get your $25 on your own and you'll get the $75 on any referrals either way. But it's faster if you start with $50 because it comes instantly. Next question. If I deposit $50 to open the account, will I have immediate access to that money? Common question. The answer is yes. There's 2 ways you can get the access to the opening deposit. The first way is by logging into your Sofi account and then go connect up the bank that the money came from and transfer it back to that bank account. Or you can download the virtual card from the digital wallet in your Sofi app. And then now you have access to the virtual card to withdraw cash at one of our 50,000 ATM machines, or you can just make purchases. Next question, will I be able to instantly withdraw the $25 sign-up bonus for opening up my account? Yes, you can either withdraw it or you can spend it. It's totally up to you in the same way I just explained. Next question. Will I be able to access my $75 referral bonus money instantly? Yes, you can access it. You can transfer it to another bank account. You can use the virtual card to cash out or make purchases or get cash. Next question, does SoFi offer a physical debit card? Oh, of course, like any other bank. You will receive that card in the mail in a blue envelope in about 7 to 10 business days. But in the meantime, they give you the virtual card so you can use it for immediate purchases or whatever you need it for. Next question, how fast will I get paid my referral bonus? As long as your referral does the $50 initial deposit with an instant transfer from a debit card, you will receive your money anywhere from instantly within minutes to up to 24 hours. Now, if they do the initial deposit with less than $50 or they use another method besides the instant transfer, you still get paid, but it could take up to 14 days for you to get the money. Next question. Can I promote this on my social media? You sure can. There's a lot of people promoting this all over social media platforms and YouTube. If you go out to YouTube and type in SoFi referral program, you'll see what I'm talking about. Next question. What's the best way for me to get signups? Well, there's 3 ways to get signups, really. The first is your inner circle, your friends and family, coworkers, whatever. Next is your connections through your social media platforms. And third is inbound inquiries. Now, what that means is you are likely someone who saw this advertised somewhere and you picked up the phone and made a call or sent a text or inbox someone. That's what I mean. So you're going to have people contacting you about setting up an account because we're going to set you up with the structure so that happens. So those are the 3 ways you get signups. Next question. Does SoFi have an app? They sure do. Go to the App Store and download the app to your phone, and then you'll be able to access your account. Next question. Where can I find my referral link? When you set up your SoFi account, this is the desktop version. You log in and you'll see at the very top, it says get $75 with a little gift box next to it. You click on that and that's where you find your link. If you're looking for it on the app, it's basically the same thing. Look for the gift box, look for it where it says get $75, and that's where your referral link is located that you can grab and share. Next question. I'm ready to start making money. What is my next step? Get back to the person who referred you to watch this video and tell them I'm in. And once you do that, here are the 4 steps you're going to take next. Listen carefully. Step 1, open your account using their referral link. In other words, don't go bypass them and go to the website or the app. Grab their link, go that route. Step 2, make your initial deposit of $50 through an instant transfer from a debit card. Step 3, download the SoFi app to your device. And step 4, get your referral link and start. Contact the person who referred you and tell them I'm in. Tell them today. The reason why you tell them today, because there is no tomorrow. I can promise you the person who sent this video is super swamped. There are people contacting and texting and inboxing them for access to this, and they simply don't have time to waste. So just let them know you're ready to get started and they will get you set up. This should be you starting today. You should be able to send a screenshot that looks just like this, if not better. All right. So let us help you make this your best Christmas ever. Let us help you put a few $100 to a few $1,000s in your pocket between now and Christmas. But if Christmas is not your thing, we understand. You came here because you're looking for money, right? So one way or the other, it's still the same money. So with that being said, it's time to get started. Get back to the person who invited you. Let them know I'm in, and they will take the next steps to help you get everything going so you can get that money started today. Have an amazing day.